So what I'll be giving you tonight, it is not a thought, it is not a tryout, ne? It is not a tryout, it is the exact formula that has helped me to get me where I am today, to get me where I can be financially free. Ne? I don't work anywhere. I don't have any job. I don't have any job, I don't have any work. My work is where I am. Where I'm sitting right now is my work. Ne? This is my office, my house is my office. So what I'm going to pick you, I'm just trying to build your mind. You see, what I'm giving you today, it works. So I'm not teaching you theory, I'm teaching you a practical. My bills are all paid, there's no overdue. What every bill is paid. I'm financially free with what I'm going to give you tonight. So please pay attention. If you are watching TV, if you are with your friends, this is not the time. I want you to take this class very seriously because I'm giving you a blueprint of what I do personally, that I am financially free and I'm not struggling anyway. I'm not struggling anyway. Trust me. After this, a few months after our wedding, my wife had to resign and come back and stay in the house. Because we are good. So I'm teaching you what is going to work for you also. Let's get right to business. So now, before we start, I just want to let me address this part. Let me address this part. Most people say that if they want to start a business, if you ask them why they are not starting, they are simply going to tell you that they need money. They are looking for capital. They want money to start a business. That is actually the excuse that we usually make. That is the excuse that we usually make because we feel like we don't have money, so you feel like you cannot start a business. But trust me, I was once struggling to the extent I would say I really didn't even know where I had to start, what I had to do. But until I got what I'm about to give you now. So by the end of tonight, you'll have at least 5 business models you can start with completely zero emalangeni. I'm going to give you a step-by-step plan for my clothing brand, how to start your own clothing brand, understanding drop shipping, about print on demand, and then I'm going to give you my free tools that you can use to design, to do whatever that you have to do. I don't have much time on this class, but I'm going to try to put it all in this next 1 hour. So please grab your notebook, take your pen, be taking notes so that you are not left behind, because I've got to try to keep up. I've got to try to be fast so that to cover a lot of things. It is a free session for others, so please let this count. Let this count. So no more excuses. No more excuses. Now, the zero capital mindset. So before we can talk about building your business model, you need to understand something like this. You have to shift your mind from being an employee to an entrepreneur, because my employees, my entrepreneurs, my business people, we don't think the same way. Trust me, we don't think the same way. Most of what we are taught in school, it is for us to be employees tomorrow. It is for us to excel somewhere, and then we apply for a job, then we get the job, we apply for a promotion, like that, like that. That is how the school system is what has been designed. The school system that we have has not been designed so that we can have people who are what? People who are going to be financially stable, people who are going to be their own bosses. It is not designed like that, trust me. So the school system that we have now is designed to produce employees. So you need to shift that mindset as a schooling. That same mindset, let's say, for all the years that we spent out there telling us that we need to be qualified to start things, that we need to be qualified for certain levels in life. And so most the employee mindset says what? You tell yourself that I need money to start. You need an office, you need a shop. I told you, having a shop does not mean that you are in business. Having an office does not mean that you are in business. I've been running this course till today, from April last year, every month, having a course. We don't have an office anyway. So what is stopping you? And trust me, just with this course, I've made more than 40,000 just with the course alone, apart from all the other online things that we do. So as I'm telling you that what I will be teaching you tonight, it is what I am doing. It is what is working for me. You get, ne? So don't tell yourself that you need to buy stock. You need everything to be perfect. No. Start from where you are. Ne? You don't need to be established. Just with the minimum resources that you have. That is now what? The entrepreneur mindset. The entrepreneur mindset says what? I will start with what I have. My phone is my office. I've been using a very, very, very bad smartphone. If you could see this phone that I started with when I started this thing, you can actually laugh at me, but it was my office. There was no equipment, no gadget, no computer. Like right now I'm using a computer, but this was not there before. You get what I'm saying? So before I only had my phone, and it was a worst phone you could ever have, but I was trying to make something from it. And then the entrepreneur mindset also says what? It says I get stock. The word inventory means stock. It is stock, it is goods, services. Then you get inventory after you have got orders. You launch imperfect, then you improve along the way. You find gaps established businesses miss. There are big businesses out there, but there are some things, some aspects in the market that are very much vacant. For you to be an idealistic entrepreneur, you need to be smart. You need to think outside the box. Don't be conformed in one place. Look at this. So the employee mindset says what? You see someone who's selling custom cheeses, and then you think your mind says what? Your mind says you need 3,000 for stock. You need printing equipment. You need a shop. You need a sign. No, you don't need all these things to start. Trust me. The entrepreneur mindset says, like I just say, how do I start? With nothing. Then I'm going to show you. Then what do? You post designs on social media, and then you take orders, and then you use the money to print, and then you deliver to the customer. You reinvest your profits. It is so simple that my clothing brand, we started it exactly with Zero Emalangeni. Also, what do? I'll show you. Let's go. Let me just skip these things. Let me just skip these things so that we get to, because I want to show you guys the practical part. I want to show you guys the practical part. Now let's look at this. There are 5 proven models that you can start today. I mean, after this class, these 5 you will have them. I'm not just giving you theory, I'm giving you things that have worked for me. Remember, so this is real business run by real people, and they are making real money. Trust me, all here. Now, the first model is what? It is pre-order business. A pre-order business is like this. Maybe just don't read to what I've written there. You read it on your own time. Now, listen to me. A pre-order business is like this. Let's say you are going to advertise. Maybe let's say ufuna kwenda timpahla, ne? So what you do, you find the cost of the good. Let's look at a group here. Let's look at one of our suppliers here. Let's look at one of our suppliers here. So you find a product, and then after finding the product, my computer is tired today. I've been overworking. I've been overworking the computer for a very long time today. Now you find a product. You see that Lamateg Lawa is what? It's Nike Portals. That's the name of the shoes, ne? And then the price, it is 514, right? So this person is a runner. You get what I'm saying? So this person is a runner. So I don't know why it is not showing that thing now. Let's make an example using these ones. Maybe they're not so nice. So Lamateg Lawa, they are 285. You get what I'm saying? And then there is what? The runner fee. So what you do, take this mategi and post them on your status. Take this mategi and post them on your Facebook. And then the price of the product, you are going to say this 285 plus the runner fee plus your own amount. So you take the cost price plus the runner fee. It means just all cost included. You can even include transport for going to town to pick up the order. And then let's say you are going to charge 400 for Lamatec, this one. So when you advertise with the price, your price, not the price that you buy with. Ne? So 400 Malangeni, you can even say this is what people usually do. They actually just multiply this thing times 2. They multiply the price by 2, and then they say that that is the cost of la mategi or that cloth. And then they tell you that 50% confirms your order. You get this thing. When anyone says 50% confirms the order, it simply means that the person is saying to you, the 50% is the actual price of the product. So you use the customer's money to buy the product, then you add whatever fee that needs to be added. You are already running your clothing brand. You don't have a shop. You are using your WhatsApp status or you are using your Facebook to advertise. You only just need to know where to get the product. You get, look at this thing. If you see that these t-shirts, you get 3 t-shirts for what? For 245. And then you say, okay, if I'm selling one of these t-shirts, maybe 800 Malangin, or let's say 150 each. If you are going to say 150 each or 200 per t-shirt, but as for you, you are buying 3 t-shirts with this price. So you all just need to do it. You just need to put the word out there. You just need to advertise. That is what we call a pre-order business. You don't need any money for this one. If you want clothes, you want kitchen stuff, you want household things, you just simply do that. You simply do. You open a Facebook page and then you start advertising. People have got to pay before you place any order. You don't buy things and then let the people pay cash on delivery. No, don't do that one. It is risky. It is risky. You'll be having things in the house because customers don't want them anymore. So you cannot trust people with that. At least if the person is saying 50%, then you have put that price is complete. Ne? That is the first business model. Already someone is taking this one and tomorrow they are going to start. Now, why is this one going to work for you? It is because there is no risk. If the customer pays, then everything is sorted. There's no risk. Like you're not making any loss anywhere here. Then you know where there's demand before you create. The customer money finds your business. There's no capital. You can start tonight, in fact, immediately after assembly. So it is best for what? Am I clothing, am I fashion, or am I custom cakes, am I handmade items, am I personalized products? If you went to catering school or you went to a baking school, be posting cakes. Tell people that you do what? You do wedding cakes, you do birthday cakes. 50% of the price confirms the order. The 50% is for buying the ingredients for baking. You get what I'm saying? But just make sure that your skin is up to standard. Don't advertise things that you cannot bake, please. Don't fake it. No, this time around, you don't fake it until you make it. Please, no. You don't do that one. Not not with this business model, ne? So you don't show us good cakes on your status, then we order and then we get something completely different. Trust me, we are going to post you on all social media platforms. Don't do that, ne? Don't do that. So what do? You choose a product that you can source or that you can make, and then you create Emma visuals. Remember, I told you of a site where we get Emma mockups, Emma stock images. Emma stock images, it is these images that are from the internet. You get, they are from the internet. You simply just download them from there. They are free to use. You can use them, or Emma videos. You can even download videos there. So the site for downloading it is Pinterest. You simply say, what? Let me use the example of the wedding cakes. Let me use the example of the wedding cakes. So you simply put it up here, but please don't tell us about 5-star cakes that you cannot make. Stick to what you know, ne? Please stick to what you know. Don't just when you sell zinger because you want to get customers. Ne? So this is where we get Emma stock images. This is where we get Emma stock images. Ne? So you can download them from here, then you can post on a status, but just make sure that you have already tried this thing and it is working for you. You get what I'm saying? Ne? So it is called Pinterest. That is the name of the site. It has got this P as its logo. Ne? And then you do what? You advertise on social media with the price. Ne? Don't make people inbox you for price. Don't say inbox for price. Don't say inbox for. There's no need for people to inbox you. Put all the information there. You put the price of the product and you put everything. Let it be in the open. Let it be in the open. Ne? So you do it like that. Now let's move. And then you take orders and then you collect the deposit. The 50% deposit is for what? Is for you to buy the ingredients, is for you to buy the product. Ne? And then you use the deposit to create the product or however, and then you deliver, and then you people pay the full price. We're done with that one. We are done with that one. Then the second model, it is service-based business, whereby you are simply selling your skill. Like I told you yesterday in class, Gucci, the skill that you have now, you can actually use that skill to what? To make money. You can use that skill to make money. You don't need stock. You don't need, there are no upfront cost. There is no equipment. It is just what? Your knowledge and your time. For instance, in consultancy, if wafunzela accounting, you can be an accounting consultant. If wafunzela whatever university that you went to, that skill, you can be a consultant. Do you know that a consultant actually makes more money than the people who are actually doing the thing? You make more money as a consultant than the people who are actually doing the thing. If you are in agriculture, you can be an agricultural extension officer or an agricultural consultant. You don't need a certificate. You just need skill. You need knowledge. So let's look at this. You can start 10 services on social media that you can use. For instance, in social media management. In social media manager, your job is to create content for the business. Your job is to create posters for the business. Your job it is to create, it is to advertise. So what you do, you simply need a map basic skills like Canva. Canva is the A+7 is to do what? For making posters, for making logos and stuff. You get what I'm saying? And then Business Meta Suite. Meta Business Suite is an application, an extension of Facebook basically, but it is a separate app. You download it, it is on your phone. It is the one that we use to manage many Facebook pages. I manage more than 5 Facebook pages just on one profile, different businesses, and I get paid monthly for that. You don't need to be in the shop of the person. You just need pictures. You need what? You need the products from the shop. You can make a day, go and take pictures. You can make a day, go and create a video there. Your job is just to be a social media manager. You post for them. That is all. And you charge however amount that you want. If you are starting, maybe you can charge 300 for a start because you don't know what you are doing. You're still learning. So don't charge 2,000 when you still don't even know what you are doing there. So don't use a premium price for a low quality product. You get what I'm saying? So you can even start from a local shop, Store Semandia in your home place, or maybe where you are working, Store Semandia where you are working. Do that, use that, you get. And then content creation, which is also part of social media. But among content creators, the advantage now is they are not based on actually one product or one shop or one brand. Among content creators, you simply establish yourself. You simply establish yourself in that field. For instance, I've established myself in business. So I get my proposals from business people to do what? To advertise on their behalf. All I need to do is to get to the person's shop, make a short video there, maybe like 3 minutes video, come back to my house, edit the video, and then we're back on social media management. I'm going to boost and I'm going to sponsor that post. My work is done. I get paid. So there is literally no excuse for you not to be doing something, not to be making something from what I'm just giving, just this that I've already given you already. And then there is what we call WhatsApp marketing. Ne? So on, I think it was 2 days before back, we were talking about what? We were talking about WhatsApp marketing. We're talking about a WhatsApp business. So make sure that you know how to set up WhatsApp. WhatsApp business is different from WhatsApp, ne? So WhatsApp business is actually different from WhatsApp, because WhatsApp business, you see, the setup of WhatsApp business is like this. This is WhatsApp business, the one that I've opened right now. This is WhatsApp business. So WhatsApp business, there is what? There is the profile picture, and then there is the cover page. There is the name of the shop. So this is the name of my brand. So there you put. There are people who are in business. They don't know how to use WhatsApp business. Trust me. They don't know how to use Facebook. A simple Facebook profile. They don't know how to create Facebook pages. They are business people who have money, but they don't know how to do simple things. You provide the simple thing at a price. Eh? Setting up this WhatsApp thing is easy. And then what do? You put a catalog here. Eh? You put a catalog, you put the products of the business. What are you guys selling? You put it right here. So a simple setup, your WhatsApp business, and then you charge them for that. And then you include what? A business account, a business Facebook account. A business Facebook account is different. Is different from a business Facebook account is different from a Facebook profile. So let me just log in here using one of the pages that I'm managing. So let's see. This is one of the pages that I'm managing for Kitchen Essentials Eswatini. Let us just check their brand out and see. So this page is actually, I think it is 4 weeks old. So it is still new. It is still new. So when you are creating a Facebook page, you need to make sure that the name, when you are naming your business, it has to be a name that is easy to find, a name that is almost like in your niche, because you are a starter and you don't have capital. You are not like KFC, or I mean, not really KFC. Let's say Coca-Cola. But okay, no, let me make an example. Apple. You see that Apple is an iPhone a manufacturer, right? But what does Apple's have to do with phones? You see that these two, they don't relate at all, like Apples and phones, like there's no connection there. So that brand, because they've got capital, they've got money for advertising, they can name their business without linking, without the connection with of the product and the name of the business. But as for you, because usaqala, the name, let the name of the business be in line with what you are going to be selling. Kitchen Essentials Eswatini. Basically, okay, it means that they are selling kitchen things. Ne? And then you have to be professional with the way you set up the page. You see, there is the WhatsApp link for the business. There is, what is the page about? It is about appliances, kitchen supply. It is for kitchen and cooking. Location, excuse me, the location, the WhatsApp for the business, and then the group, the WhatsApp group link. I do know and understand, which is some of you treat yourself like a president, where you don't want people to know your cell phone number. I don't know whoever told you that you are Miss what or of the country, that you don't want people to know your number, and you are telling us that you are in business. So I don't know where people find that mindset. Would see locking your Facebook profile, it makes you a better person, or you are running away from your ex. My friend, your ex is not paying any bills in your house. Your ex is not giving you any money at all, and yet you don't want to share your number. You are listen to me. Listen, I'll be frank with you. I'll be real with you. You are not special, my friend. You are not, for real. For real. You are not that special. You are not that special that you don't want people not to get your number. We have put ourselves so high that we think of ourselves highly. I don't know where people get this thing. Eh? You can't be in business and your Facebook profile is locked. Eh? Who wants to do business with a cost? You can't. There is no way. For real, there is no way. I want to be real with you. Your Facebook account, if you are in business, if you are in business, your Facebook account needs to be what? Your Facebook account needs to be, it needs to be real. It needs to be real. Let's see. Let's make a clear example. So please, you are not special in any way. Your ex has got nothing to do with you making money. And I know some of you are afraid with Bafana Baso man. Bafana Baso man, if someone calls you and is there not asking about your product, you just block the number, that's all. Like, what have you got to lose? You simply just block the number. So you don't need to be stressing about those things. Eh? You see, this is my Facebook profile. It is clear. You can see whom you are talking to. Why? If my business is completely online, and when I say online, I mean everything that I'm doing as a business is online. So if it is all online, I need to make sure. Okay, there's somebody who's disturbing my class here. Gosing Pili. Yeah. So if I am in an online business, everything about me needs to be clear. So you can see the intro, the bio on my Facebook profile, it is clear. Eh? I am doing what? I'm into digital marketing. I'm an author. I'm a sales and marketing coach. I'm a businessman. It is all what? It is all clear. And then let us look at your credentials. Let us look at your credentials. So this is where I studied. This is where I've been. This is my wife. And then this is my WhatsApp contact. Everything is there because you don't know Gutsi, your next client, where is your next client going to come from. So please, let's create professional images and professional accounts. Ne? Let's move before we waste a lot of time. Let's move. I want to get to the practical part. Then you can be what? A virtual assistant. A virtual assistant, you just simply, because there are people who have got money out there, who are rich, who are into things, but they don't have time. They don't have time to organize their emails. They don't have time to schedule their stuff. So you come in. That is where you come in. A virtual assistant. I am in my house, but I manage the details for that person. You get what I'm saying? So you manage the details for that person. For instance, if I'm to make an example, so you see immediately I click my profile here. Do you see how many profiles I have here just on my computer? Do you see how many profiles I have? These are the profiles that I am managing. But it doesn't mean you have to be doing hard work. It is just some simple stuff that you do, being just a virtual assistant. And then you can do it tutoring, tutoring or teaching. You just simply need to know what is your strength. What subjects were you good in at schooling? If you went to school, even if you dropped out, there are people who are gifted. There are people who are gifted in maths. Like the person did not finish school, did not go to varsity, but when it comes to maths, they just know mathematics. So you can start afternoon classes, extra classes in your community or in your township. Do afternoon classes or weekends. Be tutoring people, and you actually charge a very good amount. And most of the time, you don't even need a venue. You can do it on WhatsApp, you can do it on Zoom, you can do it as I'm doing right now. So that skill or the profession lonayo, you can teach others that same profession at a fee. You don't need a certificate from the government or a trading license. You are sharing what you know. That's all. So you can start this one immediately after assembly. You get what I'm saying? You can start this one. You can use WhatsApp for it as a starter. You can use Google Meet like I'm doing. You can use Zoom, whatever is good for your clients. Ne? And then you can do e-freelance writing. E-freelance writing, it is when you are working under a certain company, you are writing for them. So for this one, maybe it might be a little challenging in Swaziland because most of our EMA organizations, they are not well versed about this one. So Lena, we get it on Upwork. So you can go to Upwork, you set up your profile there, and then you can apply for jobs, freelance writing. They are available on Upwork or Fiverr. So it's just inside you will type out Upwork, then you set up your profile. But the only challenge with most of these sites, it is the payout method. So if you don't have EMA accounts in South Africa, you might have a problem. Ne? You might have a problem with that one. And then e-graphic design. E-graphic design, you don't need to be a graphic designer for you to have a graphic design business. What you do is this. Okay, I think we are going to talk about it. And us, yeah, I'll do a more explanation on that. Ne? I'm going to do that one. Then you can be an MC. Some of you are gifted with words, like you can speak, like some of you can speak. So you don't need fancy equipment. Just record yourself. Just make a video, just a 2 minutes video. You can borrow a friend's phone just to create one video. That video is the one that you're going to use to do what? To advertise yourself. That's the video you're going to use to advertise yourself. You can boost it, you can sponsor it, just one video, and get yourself gigs. You don't need to be under an organization, my event organizers. Just tell yourself, if you are an MC, we don't need a whole profile. You just need to know that you can speak and tell people the jokes here and there. You get what I'm saying? And then for photography, if you've got more photography skills, e-consultation, like I said before, and e-consultation, the fees. Have you ever been to a special doctor? How much do you pay just to get into that office? Apart from medication, when you go to a special doctor, they are just going to tell you that you are sick with this because of this and this. And then they're going to prescribe, go to the pharmacy and buy this. That's all. That is consultation. If you can go to a doctor and pay 500 just for consultation, why are you not taking the same idea with that skill that you have and start your own consulting agency? You don't need an office. You can make phone calls, dedicate 2 hours with 2 hours per client, and this is the amount I charge. If you want a consultation with me, it's far, far, far expensive than the course. It is far expensive than the course, because if you want me for a one-on-one, then my friend, you have got to be ready to pay. That is consultation. So you can do that one. Then when we talk about affiliate marketing, I don't need to have a product. I simply advertise other people's products. Ne? It can be a physical product, it can be digital product, or even a service. For instance, when Jenny Internet is one of the internet providers in the country. They install Wi-Fi. I mean, it's a Wi-Fi company. It's just an internet providing service. Ne? So in the house here where we are, we subscribed for Jenny, right? But Jenny does not install the Wi-Fi's on their own. There is another company that installs their Wi-Fi to their clients, to their customers. The company, what it does, it advertises Jenny, but they know that after they get you as a client, they are simply going to be the ones who take the commission to go and install the Wi-Fi. That is how they get money. So you can partner If you are unemployed right now, maybe you've got a certificate somewhere, no matter a certain skill, you can partner with people who are already in business. Partner with them. For instance, let me make an example. Yabona a magazine like SEC or EEC now. EEC is an electrical company, right? Do you know that EEC, they have got subcontractors, the people that install MF poles in your homes, in your area? It is not EEC. It is a company that is being contracted under EEC that deals with what? That deals with kukupa imigodi nekufaka pole. That is a subcontractor. He only needs manpower. You don't need a mind to know what this court is 6 meters or it is 2 meters deep. You get. So you can start something like that. Be subcontracting under a big company. Most of you, the reason why you are frustrated right now that you don't have a job is simply because you are looking for a job from those big companies while you can just go to the company and be giving them a certain service. Go there as a business affiliate. So my platforms where we do that, like bo Jumia affiliate program, bo Takealot, bo Shane. You see those things. So when you can be, for instance, let me make an example. Takealot. You open an account with Takealot, and then you find an address in South Africa. You find an address where they are going to drop your order, and then when in Swaziland, you advertise products from Takealot, and people are going to buy through you. People are going to send the money go, and then you make the payment under the affiliate program. You are Takealot, where you are going to get commission, you are going to get a discount, you are going to get Emma coupons for being part of that. The next thing that you do, you take your mzala's car or your father's car, you drive to Joburg, you drive to wherever, you go and get the order, you give people. You charge people 30% for running those errands. You just simply know where to get the thing. You just have to have an address in Swaziland, like Amazon. Ne? So all those things you can just do it. Go, for instance, go affiliation affiliation Jumia. What you do is that you join the affiliate program, and then you choose the product to promote, and then you create content about the product, and then you use your affiliate link. When someone wants to buy, they buy using your affiliate link, and then when someone buys using the link, you get money. You get what I'm saying? So you don't need to have your own product. You just have to have an affiliate link that you use. For instance, under the affiliate program, yeah, Forex, where we are, there are sites where we have registered as an affiliate. So people that I teach Forex, the people join under my link, under my affiliate link, and any money the person is going to make on Forex, I get shares from that money. If the person makes 1 million, at least I'm getting what? 10,000 from that man. It is just part of the program. Every 10% of the person, every money the person makes, 10% is coming to my account. That is an affiliate program. So you can just be doing things like that. You just have to get into the right platform. The only challenge with such things, payout methods, Swaziland is a problem when it comes to payout methods. So most of us are using South African credentials, other people's accounts in South Africa, because we just want to be in there. It is doable, but it just needs your mind to open. Get what I'm saying? Then model number 4, where we talk about drop servicing. Oh, I have already spoken enough. Are you guys with me, or I am rushing, or what? But yeah, we have to rush. We have to rush because we don't have much time, ne? So we don't have much time. So I have to rush. So, but if you guys are still with me, it is okay. If you can get what I'm saying, if we are lost somewhere, we are just going to watch the rebroadcast. I'll send the rebroadcast so that you can watch it on your own time. So I'll send the rebroadcast to the group. You can watch it again, if you were lost somewhere. Because I want to show the practical part. I want to show the practical part is very important. So, okay, e-drop servicing. This is what we do with drop servicing. You sell Emma services, but someone else does the work. Whether what you do is to find a client and then you close the deal and then you manage the project and then you keep what? The profits. How does it work? Look at this. So you look for what? Umuntu lo freelancer. If freelancer is somebody who's providing a service remotely, meaning they are far from you, but they provide a service. Look at this. So you look for a client lotsinga ilogo and then charge 500 to design a logo. Trust me, a logo are very, very, very expensive. In as much as we just charge them 100 Malayan, and most of my students they just charge 100 Malayan, 150 or 300. But out there it is very expensive. So ilogo is you charge it 500, and then you find a graphic designer who is going to do it for 150. Look at the amount of profit that you just made with one transaction, and like what did you do? All you have got to do is just to close the sale. Let you and the client agree which they are going to pay 500 for the product, for the service, and then 350 is just for nothing. And the person doesn't even know, because the graphic designer does not even know. So it is just one way of making money online. You don't have to have a skill. You just have to know who needs what and connect them with who can do what. You get? And then everyone is happy. Simple like that. Then a digital product. Yeah, Lelo. It is just like that. Money is in the mind. Money is in your mind. That's it. So you can just do a business for instance, I can start advertising cakes, wedding cakes, birthday cakes, and trust me, I have no skill in baking. I will find you because you are looking for a job. You love a job. You love a job so much that you are looking for a job. I will find you and I will make you bake the cake for me for 300 while I was charging 750 for the same cake. And then I keep my own 350 for doing absolutely nothing. So you've got to work smart if you want to make money. Just open your mind, like just be open-minded. That is what I'm trying to do to you tonight. I just want your mind to be open. Then business model number 5, creating a digital product. A digital product, you create it once and then you sell it forever. Like I told you guys, Gutsi, I was just calculating today, Gutsi, how much did I make from this model? How much did I make from this model? So, as I am talking to you right now, I have already received 2 payments from a video that I'm selling. Like as I'm talking to you right now, already received 2 payments just from these 2 people here. What do? You create a tutorial video about something, and then le video leyo you can put it under email, or you put it under a Google Drive, or you put it on your YouTube channel. The people pay for the video. The video, if you want it next week, next month, next year, it will still be available and the money will still be coming in. All I am doing is to advertise the product out there. You can create an ebook An ebook, it is a PDF file like this one that you are reading from. This one. I can decide to sell this book like this notes that I'm using now. I can sell these notes and say 50 emalangen. What is the title? How to start a business with zero emalangen. In fact, you know what? I'm going to do that. I'm just thinking of it now. Now I'm thinking I can make free money using this thing, man. Yeah, I can make another money from this. Yeah, you charge 50 rand, you charge 100 rand for one book. You send it on WhatsApp, you send it on Facebook. Like, you don't need any equipment or anything. Just write a book about what you know. If you don't know how to write a book, I will show you how to write a book tonight within 15 minutes. I'll show you how to write a book tonight before we leave. Now, and then my templates, my guides, my checklist, and then my online courses like the one we are doing. This is an online course, we are selling it, so you can teach people about what you are doing. And then there's what e-beauty. I mean, the beauty of this thing is what you create this thing once, you sell unlimited times. If I can show you sales that I made today, some of you can cry. Some of you can cry if I show you just the money we made today from what, from today's sales. For what? For a video that you are selling, just one video that I'm selling. One. The next one will be this book. I'm going to sell this book, trust me. You will see. I'm going to give it to you guys for free. Don't worry. If it is yours for free, don't worry. Ne? But I'm going to sell it for others. So, okay, I'll leave this one for the practical. Okay, how do we start a clothing brand with zero emalangen? I think the time is running, so let me get to the practical side of this thing. Let's start with creating an ebook. Creating an ebook. Ne? Let's write an ebook together. Let's write an ebook together. All right. So I'm just going to, anyone here who says we have got a skill, but you want to write a book based on what you know. Let's do an example like that. Let's write your book in the next 5 minutes. Who is here? You can just unmute your mic, or you can just type in the comment section here. You can just type in the comment section, just 1 minute. Please just type it there, and then we're going to write that book for you. Now, we're going to do this thing tonight. So I'm getting ready. Type the name or the type of book that you want us to work on. So type that name there. Okay, I'm just opening the site. So I'm just opening the site here. All right. Oh God. Just give me a minute. I'm setting it up. I'm just going in. I'm logging in right now. Okay, is everything something? So there is no one wants us to write their books. There is no one wants us to write their books. Okay, since you guys are all sorted, then I'm going to write my own book then, so that I can sell it. So that I can sell it, because people don't want to, they don't want with their book. Now let's go and write a book. Evening Alpha Mail. So this site link is it is called a cloud. Ne? CLAUDEAI. CLAUDE.ai. Cloud AI. So So in as much as I am using a very sensitive topic, but in as much as it is a sensitive topic, uh, this is one of the most challenging topics in the country. So there are a lot of people who might want such a book, or because we both know, we see most people are going through a lot out there. So most people are going through a lot. For instance, if you are one who experienced this thing hands on, and it really took a huge part of yourself, so you can use this, you can use your story to inspire other people. So this is not to hurt you, but this is to help someone else who is going through something that you went through usakula. So you can write a book like that, ne? So surviving child abuse, a teen's guide to speaking out and seeking help. Already we've got the topic for the book. You get what I'm saying? We already have got a topic for the book. And then let's look at the table of contents. This thing has been generated in seconds. The table of contents, part one, understanding what's happening, recognizing abuse, the impact on your life, breaking the silence, why speaking out is like, you see, it is the course outline or the time, the table of contents, it is very clear. It is very clear, and it is up to chapter. Wow, this is a lot. This is a lot. So we're going to write a full book like this. So what other place you are going to need Google Docs? Google Docs, Google Docs, you can download it as an application on phone in Yako, or you can use it online. So Google Docs is available. You can download it to be application on your phone, or if WPS or whatever writing software that you have, you just sign in your email yako, and then you say blank document. So you come back this side, you click the copy button. You see the copy button, most. So you copy, then you come back this side to Google Docs, and then that is where you're going to paste everything. So just paste it this side. So Google Docs is where you're going to edit. Is where it is a free site. It's a free site. So you paste everything there. Ne? Then you go back. And then you tell AI, you've got the table of contents now, right? So you tell AI that write chapter 1 in a friendly tone. Don't make it formal. Don't make it formal. Be chatty, as if. So when you are talking to AI, you talk like you are talking to a person. Ne? You become ubala as descriptive as you can be. Don't make it formal. Be chatty as if you are talking to, as if you are talking to other peers, other teenagers maybe. You see. So and then you send. As I am saying now, so let's see. So it is now writing chapter 1. You see what is happening on my screen? It is writing chapter 1. That is what is happening. So chapter 1 is being written. Now look at this. Look at this. Let's read chapter 1. Hey, I'm really glad you picked up this book. Even though I know it wasn't easy. Maybe you are reading this in your room with the door locked, or maybe you are scrolling through it on your phone at 2 a.m. when you can't sleep. Maybe you are not even sure if this book is for you because you keep telling yourself that what's happening to you isn't really that bad, or that person or other people have is worse. You see, the language, it is a language from peer to peer. It is not formal. It is chatty. It's like ukuluma with people of the same age, people of the same class, and it relates to the situation of the person. So already I have got chapter 1 locked and loaded here. This is chapter 1 locked and loaded. All I have to do is to now what? Copy and then go to Google Docs. I'm going to paste it there. So I can go for page break maybe. So I can go for page break page here. And then I paste chapter 1. So chapter 1 is fixed. It is all here. So your work is to edit. It is edit, check am I spelling mistakes, check if it is in line with Swaziland, because you should be able nangala to say that make this book for Swazi audience, for a Swazi audience. You get what I'm saying? So you can say that make this book for a Swazi audience. Then when you are done with all the chapters, just follow the same process like I'm doing right now. Write chapter 2, write chapter 3, write chapter 4. Don't say write it at once, because AI on a limit for the number of words it can give you per time. So it has got a limit. Ne? So don't do that one. Just take it step by step until you are done. Basic. What you need is a cover page. What you need is a cover page. So you can say what? You can come back here and tell AI and say what? Give me prompt for generating a cover page for this book. So give me prompt for generating a cover page for this book. Ne? So it is going to give you prompt for generating what? The cover page. Then, because every book needs a cover page, right? Even if it is an ebook, an electronic book, a PDF, but the first page, it should be what? It should be a cover page. Now this is the prompt. This is the prompt. So you just copy it. You copy it and then go take it to an app called what? Leonardo AI. So Leonardo is the one that we use for generating images. So now we're generating an image, we're generating a cover for our book. So you're going to log in Google Leonardo. Leonardo, it is leonardo.ai. leonardo.ai. So that is Leonardo. Or another one that you can use, it is called Google AI Studio. So that is the other one that you can use. It also works nice. So you just log in with your email and then for this one, Google AI Studio, we are gonna know banana, and then you just paste this thing. Base, choose the aspect ratio. The aspect ratio, you can make it a 9 by 16. You can make it a 9 by 16 and then you click run. Base, you come back this side to paste it like Leonardo so that you can compare the result. Ne? So this is how we generate images. This is how we generate images in as much as, let's look at this one. So let's look at this one. You see this one that is being created here, surviving child abuse by Anna Lee. But when what you are going to do is utobese uyayithatha uyimixa Canva. That is where you're going to edit lo by Anna Lee ubhale ukuthi by Sibusiso Ngobese. That is your cover page. So you download it here on the download button. You get, and then you can also create it ngala Leonardo. In as much as I don't know why Leonardo is acting fun here and playing mind games with me. It is playing hard to get right now. So you can just paste the prompt here because it is playing hard to get with me. So you can just you can just look at which one is the best, which one is working for you well, ne? And then this book you can sell it through WhatsApp. You can sell it however, But umuntu, after they pay, you send them the PDF on WhatsApp, ne? You just send them a PDF. So you're going to take the one, when you are done with this, you're going to paste it on where you were typing the cover page of the book. So the cover page of your book, Wibeka Letulu, and then you go to file, and then you export it, you download as what? You download as PDF. Then you are done. Just like that. Ne? You can create a book like that. Basically, how do we start? How do we start? How do we start our own clothing brand? How do we start our own clothing brand? So you see how easy it is to write an ebook, right? So we've just written a book, and this thing, you can do it in one day. Tomorrow morning you can be able to start selling that book. Whatever topic that you can choose to do, ne? You can just do it easy like that. Now let's, how do we start a clothing brand? How do we start a clothing brand? Let's start like this. Eh? I want to start a teenage based clothing brand that will resemble life, hope, and a better future. Now, can you suggest brand names I can use? So when you type this thing, you are going to get a different names. So I for your, we are doing a clothing brand now, ne? We are doing a clothing brand. We are now doing a clothing brand. Because clothing brand, you can start your clothing brand with zero MLI, and this is how you start. It's the same concept. When I just do exactly as I did right now, same concept, ne? So I'm going to do what? You can choose any, of these things, ne? You can choose any of these topic, maybe ascend, promise, trends, limitless youth, boundless clothing. Okay, all right, okay. Okay, I just have to choose one word, ne? For practical sake, I'm just going to choose this name, ne? So I'm going to now write I'm choosing this name, and then you put the name in there. Please make sure you are writing on your notes so that you don't get left behind in my steps. These steps are very important. Don't tell yourself you're just smart. I've seen people do that and I've seen them fail. So don't tell yourself you're smart. I'm choosing this name, Uplift Apparel. Now, give me prompt on not how to on the logo generation for this brand. So now we are going to get a logo. We're going to get a prompt for generating the logo, and then I'm going to copy just one of them. So I've got many prompts here. You can see this is prompt 1, prompt 2, prompt 3, prompt 4. So I'm trying to be fast so that I can catch up with time. Then you come back here, you paste it here, go aspect ratio, please choose 1:1 this time around. Then you click run. Then you click run. So this one, Ibona, the one for surviving child abuse. You see, surviving child abuse, a teen's guilt trap to find hope. You see, you can also take it from here. So now I want to create a logo. So I'm going to paste the same prompt. base 1:1, and then I'm going to say generate. Let's see what we have here. So uplift apparel, this is how it looks like. You see, this is uplift apparel, but I'm not really happy with it. I'm not satisfied with it. Alana, this is how it is. Uplift apparel. I think this one is even better. You get. So then if you are not happy, you go back to your prompt and take the second prompt. Ne? Take the second prompt, this one, and then you go back, you paste this second one. So take your time, don't rush. If you want good things take time. That's why most of you now you are in problematic relationships, because you are rushing. Ne? You rushed to having that girlfriend, and it's now giving you problems. Be patient. Be patient. Ne? Take time. There's no need for you to rush. I could have chosen this one, but I'm saying, let's look. You see, they are getting better and better. This one is uplift. So let's see this side, which one it is like this. So let's say let's choose which one. Let's choose, you can take any of them, they are yours. Trust me, they are all of them are yours. Ne? So I'm going to download this one, and then I'm going to come back here. When I come back here, I'm going to say, I'm going to attach the logo. So you click the plus sign, then you go to upload. You click the plus sign, then you go to upload. Then you take the logo, you say open. You attach it here. Then you click the plus sign again, then you say upload files. And then where do we go? You go to your images, you go to your pictures on your phone, on your gallery, wherever where your pictures are. Then you click open. So I've attached two images here. I've attached one image of the logo, and then I've attached one image of myself. And then I'm going to say, make the man wear a black hoodie of the logo brand on the left. Make it a full size. Then I'm going to say run. I've attached Stombe Sami, and then I've attached the image of the logo. You see these two, I've attached both of them. We're just making them one. We are making them one so that the man, this man is going to wear a hoodie with the logo, and then like that, like he did. So I can use myself as an advert. I was going to ask you guys to give me a name of one brand you wanted to start, but because you guys, you don't want to talk to me, so I don't know. So this is what we use. This is apparel. Like you see, I'm now wearing this thing, and this is real me. So this is the real me, and I'm wearing a nice hoodie. What do? I just need to go and start marketing. That's all. What I need from now is to go and do marketing. I am selling hoodies of this type. So even if you are going to decide to do it, to do one about Christian based or maybe soccer based, so you can just create any type of brand depending on what Sansa in. Ne? So I can even say now, what make the hoodie pink. So you can try different colors using the same prompts. This thing is not, this is free. All that I've done tonight is free. All the sites in Wasebendisile, they are all free. Ne? There is none that you need to pay for. So these are just simply apps that Wasebendisao to design things. Just use the same prompt, follow the same instructions, and then you are good to go. You don't need to waste time. Ne? You don't need to waste time. So if ufuna to start your own clothing brand for free, this is what you do. This is just what you do, ne? Just make sure you choose a right logo for your design. I was going to take more time, but I don't want to waste time doing the same practical again and again. So you can see this is the image. Now I'm wearing another one. It is pink. Ne? So you can do for different colors, use the same image, even if when you don't have a good picture, you're going to put your picture here and then you type, make this man wear a black suit or a white suit or a white t-shirt. It is going to make him wear a white t-shirt like that. You get? So, whew, yeah, there is a lot we can say, ne? So that is how you start your clothing brand with Zero Emalangeni. Now what I have to do is start to go to Facebook and start my page, or go to Instagram and start marketing. Do you see? I am on page 12 of 28. So it means there is a lot that I can say about this thing. There's a lot I can say about this thing, but yeah, time is always fighting with me. It's probably because I'm black. Is it possible? There's a question here. It says what? Is it possible? Is it possible to create your own design without AI? Yes, that's correct. If you don't want to use AI, if you want to take time creating this thing, it is okay. You are allowed. Some people they don't want fast stuff. They want the long way. It is okay. You use this site. The video is Canva. Canva, Canva. You can download it as an application on your phone or as a site on the internet. And then what do? Let's say you have created the logo, or maybe our creative logo. This is where you create it. You just go there, or you can just say clothing logo. So you just type what you want here, clothing logo. Then you have to choose which one you want. You don't use the ones that have got crowns. The ones that have got crowns are for the paid one. Eh? So you use the free ones. You use the free ones. Then you choose from there. Then what do? You go and edit it. You say customize this template. I'll be fast now because we don't have time. So you say customize this template. After saying customize this template, it is going to open up like that, and everything that is here, it is editable. It is editable, so you can just write what you want, the way you want it, and then let's say you are done. Let's say you are done with this, then you are happy. This is your logo, or maybe you want to edit. So you just type, you just click the name that you want to edit. Let me say I want to say Epenway, so I can say Epenway like that. You get? Now you just type what you want. You click the words, and then you highlight them, and then you edit. You type what you want. Let's say I'm done. I'm going to click share, and then I click download, and then I click, this is PNG, it is for photos, ne? And then I say what? Download. After I have downloaded this image, I need someone to wear it, right? So if I want someone to wear it, I go where? I go to design. I go home. Yes, you go home. Like I don't mean again. No, I'm not saying go home. I'm saying you go home. Like you go to the word home on the site, on the application. Kuna home lapha. You click home, and then second part. So first step is click home. Second part, you go to apps, lendasi. On the phone, it is just on the left down. And then you go to mockups. You go to mockup. Then you click mockups. After you click mockups, kutawuvela different types of mockups. Now we want clothing. Clothing under apparel. So you go to apparel, which is clothing. And then you choose ukuthi ufuna kwenda skipa, ufuna kwenda hoodie, or ufuna kwenda sweater. So let me choose Nang Abdul over here. So Abdul here, let us put Abdul. I've just clicked him twice. Okay, in fact, let us start this thing all over again. so that people see what we are doing. Firstly, I said you click home. Ne? Home is this button. Yalibona mos, ibhala home. Bese, after clicking home, you go down. You go down ku mock up. Ubhala ukuthi mock up. That is what it is written. Ne? You go to mock up. It is at the bottom. Ulendazi ke mock up nginangu lesimsebenzisako mock up. Bese ku mock up siya ku apparel. I said siya ku apparel. So apparel is here. Then you choose, let me choose my sweatshirts. Then after choosing sweatshirts, you just choose one. Let the crown. So choose one. Let me use now Cynthia la. Cynthia ubhizo shayphile la ngamatwenda. Then it is going to appear on your phone. Bese uthi select. Select, you go and you upload files. Upload files. Select, then you go to upload files, and then you take the badge that you made ingale gallery yakho. Then after you get it, you are going to click on it. Then you say next. When you say next, it is going to appear. Yabona ukuthi soyigcokile ke sinje lapha, but maybe it's not looking nice kahle. I'm going to say adjust. When I say adjust, I mean make it a little bit small and stuff. So take your time. Take your time with position kahle, position it kahle, and then yabona ukuthi lo black and white akahambelani. Change the color. The color is off. Change the color of the jacket. Change the color of the jacket. You can take it to deep black. When I would say when you get it to black, it is nicer. Ne? Then you say save mockup. From save mockup, you say what? You say download. And then you can use those pictures to advertise. So those are the pictures. You can choose any dollar there. All these guys, they are free for you to use. Lalabete Emma crowns. Ne? So you say download. Then the picture is there. Then you can use it for advertising. Ne? So yeah. My time is up, guys, man. Whew. Yeah, my time is up, and yeah, I'm tired of speaking now. But with what I've given you already, if you don't start something tomorrow, it means you just don't want to make money. That's all. There is no excuse. Trust me. There is no excuse. Would say from all that I've counted already, there is not one that you can choose to start. And I'm showing you this thing can be all created free of charge. Ne? So please, lotang sitangago is this. This is my plea. This is my only plea to you. Ne? I'm going to send a link to the group sport groups on my Facebook, asking you, how was this class? Did you learn something from this class? I just want you to tell me, did you learn something from the class? I just want to know if this lesson was worth it, because I'm trying to empower people here. I understand Guslabanya, they cannot afford the 300 for the whole course, but just this one day. Ne? So please just help me write a comment on that post. I'm going to send the link for that post. You just click on it, then you go and comment. Just tell us, did you learn something from today's class? Was it worth it, or this black man wasted your time? That's all I'm asking from you. That's all. That is just a way of saying thank you. That is the only one. My friends, my beloved, I know you guys, you know that I love you, right? So you know that I love you guys so much. So my dear friends, for those who are still in the class, tomorrow we have class. So tomorrow is our last day. Tomorrow is our last day actually, but maybe we can invite everyone again. It is still okay. I wouldn't mind. So if you want to join us again tomorrow, you can come back. Tomorrow, what are we talking about? I don't know. We will see tomorrow. So guys, have a wonderful night. I will see you tomorrow. Me, love you. Bye guys.